Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to share you one of the examples of a web application which you can use for practicing test automation using different test automation tools that are there in the market. The application is none other than ecommerce-playground.lambdatest.io. So here, let me showcase this application a bit for you. Okay, so if you come to this application using this URL and you can write your test automation scripts using Selenium Java, Selenium Python, Selenium C Sharp, or any other tools like, you know, Microsoft Playwright, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so whatever the tool may be, you can practice your automation scripts here, guys. Okay, this is one of the best applications, web applications, where you can practice your test automation off. Okay, so here you can see a lot of categories. You can select a category, you can search for a product, HP. Let's see whether we can get any product or not. I'm not getting, yeah, I'm getting some products here. You see, some product you select. Okay, a lot of options are there. You see, it's beautifully designed. A lot of pages you can check. You can shop by category. A lot of categories are there. It's one of the real application. It looks, it's like a real application only, right? Where you can practice your test automation. So the application is ecommerce-playground.lambdatest.io, and you practice it here. Try to add to the cart. Try to buy now. Try to write the reviews and many other stuff on this application. So hope guys, you got one example where you can practice test automation. So similarly, if you want to find out more details, okay, you can check our pinned comment of this video where you can find the details of our online training programs, and also at the same time, you can join our Telegram group where we share this kind of lots of this kind of information for you, which you can get benefited from. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.